UHF TV Channel 33, a commercial TV station with 5 kilowatt transmitting power owned and operated by Zoe Broadcasting Network Incorporated. Light TV transmitter is located at Barangay San Roque, Antipolo City, with NTC permit number BSD-0966-2018 new, issued by the National Telecommunications Commission, valid until December 9, 2021. Light TV is also operating in Puerto Princesa, Palawan, Channel 33. Light TV transmitter is operated and maintained by the following engineers and technicians duly licensed by the Professional Regulation Commission and the National Telecommunications Commission. Professional Electronics Engineer Antonio T. Soriano, PECE number 0040. Vincent G. Ronquillo, PECE number 1199. Electronics Engineer Rachel Ann S. Roque, ECE number 66327. Jed Ellison C. Zapanta, ECE number 62739. First Class Radio Telephone Operators and Electronic Technicians Charlie F. Perez, 06-1PHN-23257. Peter M. Basalote, 06-1PNCR-23273. Gerard Lawrence O. Sandago, 06-1PD-23313. Ramon C. Tantay, 94-1PNCR-12248. Nelson C. Suarez, 17-1PNCR-26853. Larry A. Gabuco, 95-1PNCR-13478. Rene Q. Royo, 95-1PNCR-15135. Light TV studios are located at 22nd floor, Strata 2000 building, F. Ortigas Jr. Road, Ortigas Center, Pasig City.
Natin to TV Nasyo off. Okay. Nana sa Waladas. Okay.